Hello students, in previous video we are able now to identify a linear equations in two variables in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Graph of linear equation in two variables we have plotted. I think you have plotted some more graphs and you will always get a straight line for the correct answer. And we also know that a linear equation in two variables has infinite solution, but for the plotting of graph we need only 3 or 4 solutions. Next topic is how to make equation from the word problems and then find its solution and then solve it graphically. Next we are coming to word problems. How to solve the word problem to make the equation. So listen the problem carefully. Taxi fare in a city is as follows. For the first kilometer, the fare is rupees 8 and for the subsequent distances, it is rupees 5 per kilometer, taking distance covered as x kilometer and total fare rupees y. Write a linear equation and draw its graph. It is a question from exercise 4.3. So, distance covered is taken as x and total fare is taken as rupees y. So, when you travel by a cab, you see that some charges are fixed and some depend on the distance you traveled. So here also for first kilometer, what are the fixed charges? Rupees 8. So we suppose distance covered x kilometer, total fare rupees y and fare for first kilometer, that is rupees 8. So if from x kilometer we had traveled 1 kilometer, how much is left? X minus 1 and remaining distance is covered at the rate of rupees 5. So how much is the fare for x minus 1 kilometer? This is 5 multiplied by x minus 1. Listen again. Fare for first kilometer rupees 8. After covering 1 kilometer, how much distance is left? X minus 1. And that is to be covered at the rate of rupees 5. So what is the fare for x minus 1 kilometer? 5 multiplied x minus 1. Now how we will make the equation? Y is the total fare. It is equal to fare for 1 kilometer, that is 8, plus fare for x minus 1 kilometer, that is 5 into x minus 1. After simplification, we will get y is equal to 5x plus 3. Now what is our equation? Y is equal to 5x plus 3. So in word problem, you will clearly read the question, try to understand and then make the equation. If your equation is correct, definitely graph will be correct. But if somehow there is error in the equation, the whole question will be wrong. So please try to understand the problem and make the correct equation. Now for the graph, I have the equation y is equal to 5x plus 3. I have the equation y is equal to 5x plus 3. So in standard form, it can be written as 5x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. Again we will find 3 solutions. When x is 0, y is equal to 3. Put x 0 in the given equation, y will be 3. When y is 0, 5x is equal to minus 3 and x is minus 3 by 5, that is minus 0.6. When x is 1, y is 8. So what are our solutions? x0, y3, y0, x minus 0.6, x1 by 8. Now we will plot the graph with these solutions. I think you are able to plot the graph. Look at the graph. Here point A shows minus 0.6 and 0. Whenever you will plot a point, first take x coordinate and in the same line you will take y. Then B is showing 0, 3 and C is showing 1, 8. So if you join them, you are again getting a straight line. It means again our solution is correct. So clear? Please read the question carefully and then try to make the equation correct and then correct solutions. Then definitely graph will be correct. Here next question from 4.3. You have given the graph. Now no plotting of graph. Graph is given and some equations are also given. Y is equal to x, x plus y is equal to 0, y is equal to 2x, 2 plus 3y is equal to 7x. One graph is given. This is a textbook question and some equations are given. And you will identify this is the graph of which equation. Now if I look at the solutions, what are the solutions? Minus 1, 1, 0, 0, 1 minus 1. If I check this solution by putting 1 by 1 in all the equations, they are not satisfying first equation, they are not satisfying third equation, they are not satisfying the fourth equation. If I put minus 1, 1, 0, 0 and 1 minus 1 in second equation, they all are satisfying. It means this is the graph of the equation x plus y is equal to 0. So here you can identify this is the graph of which equation. Clear? So in today's homework, you will do question 1 to 5 of 4.3 and try the remaining also. Thank you.